as expected, the day started pretty comfortable and then quickly ramped up in the humidity department. But even the temperature hasn't jumped tremendously.
It hasn't been crazy. You know, like places like Freiburg, kind of the usual suspects, got into the 90s, but a lot of us were in the 80s. I thought it was like kind of a perfect summer day. I was saying my son Luca was in a camp, and they went to Fun Town, Splash Town today.
Good
and
day.
It was one of those pre-scheduled things that I was like, bam, right between the eyes.
Right.
Yeah.
Because it could have gone a very different direction had we had a rainy day.
The opposite happened at a different camp he had earlier in the summer where it was beautiful, and the scheduled event they had was a movie. And I was like, oh that stinks. Yeah. It's just like, the kids didn't care. They were happy to see it. It was like Minecraft or something. But regardless, a beautiful day today, kind of a classic summer day. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. We did have some low 90s out there, Freiburg and Sanford and Laconia. Portsmouth, New Hampshire, really warm at 94 degrees. Dew points are high. They're not unbearably high yet. We talk about the top end of our dew point scale here in Maine being about 75. And when we get over 70, it's really quite noticeable. So that'll happen tonight, early tomorrow morning. Right now we're in the mid and upper 60s, so it's sticky for sure, but not on the top end there. So tonight the story is how warm is it? What's our low temperature? We've yet to have a night that stayed above 70 all night, actually. So that's kind of unusual. Every other year we have a couple of these. We haven't had any yet, so we'll keep an eye on that. My senses will probably be 68 or 69, something like that, so it won't technically count, but it's mild all night. Most of the night spent in the 70s. Start warm tomorrow with a mixture of sun and clouds. Temperatures quickly into the mid and upper 80s and some low 90s. And then here comes our front. That front had sped up over the last couple of days in its timing. So it'll come through the mountains anywhere between 10 and noon. So I think the severe weather risk there, although not zero, is not super high. As this front moves towards the coastline, there will be a better chance of these storms being a bit stronger. We don't have all the ingredients in place for severe weather, but we have some. So we could see some strong straight line winds, some hail, and certainly some heavy downpours. Not everyone gets in on one of these showers and storms, but we've got a decent chance. Along the coast between 3 and 6, it looks like probably 1 to 3 or so inland, and then that front comes offshore, and we're in great shape on Saturday. It looks really nice. Temperatures about 80 to 85. Not as humid as today, but otherwise kind of a similar day to today, and it falls on a weekend, which is nice. Storm Prediction Center has placed us in a low level risk for severe weather tomorrow. And again, you know, in northern New England, we really don't ever get the 4s or 5s for risk level, so it indicates there is a chance of some strong severe storms. Saturday looks good. I was a little nervous about Sunday, and as a result, other people might have been nervous about Sunday yesterday. I think we're going to get away with it. That rain looks like it's just to our south. So it could rain down across even Massachusetts, but I think we'll just make it. So I took the shower chance out. Now, I mentioned to you, Brian, at noon that it was the first time I'd ever seen Todd put a shower chance in on the weekend that I didn't have there.
Right.
Breaking news, it was actually Ryan last night.
Oh, okay.
So
Right, so it still wasn't Todd.
That record stands,
Yeah.
and we were able to take it out today, and hopefully it stays that way so we get a totally dry weekend.
That would be wonderful. We'll see if you put it back in tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thanks.